February is the month of love. But have you ever felt that you want to open yourself up and open your heart up to love, but you just can't have a breakthrough in that area of your life? Well, today I am going to share 3 crystals that are my favorite crystals in everything in regards to love. My name's Heather Askinosi with Energy Muse, and I want to share a story with you. Many years ago, I was known as the love guru. I had this way of going into an environment and knowing how to shift the energy, and bigger than just the environment, shift the energy of our heart to open ourselves up to love. And how did I learn this? I would play around with formulas. I would play around with crystals on my chest. I would put crystals in my room. I would see what would happen. It was almost as if I was doing all these different energetic formulas to see what would work. And guess what? I think I figured some things out, because I had a reputation of being able to go in and help men and women hack into the energy levels of their heart and their mind and their spirit, and to align it all together so that they can attract the love that they wanted in their life. So I really do think that there are 3 crystals that you always want to have and you always want to start with when you're working on the energy of love. And at the end of the day, and I know you guys have heard this before, but it is so true, we can only attract the love that we have for ourselves. So we must start with ourselves. And I know everyone's like, hey, I want to attract a mate and I'm ready, I'm open. But sometimes on a deep level, when we're ready and we want to manifest, we sometimes have to look into the back realms of our subconscious mind and maybe some limiting beliefs that we might have from a previous relationship that didn't work, or our heart might be hurt, or there might be grief, or we say we're ready, but then we keep picking the wrong people, or the lessons that we're supposed to learn, we keep replaying over and over and over and over. But I have good news for you. The thing is, when you do learn the lesson that you're supposed to learn, then you don't have to learn it anymore. And that's why it's so cool with crystals to help tap into our energetic limiting beliefs, what we might have with love, so that we can clear the slate, and then we have making space, we're open to attracting, to manifesting, to healing all aspects of love. And I'm going to say this: love has many layers. And we go to where we are. But the thing is with love is that the deeper that we go, the more forgiveness that we have, the more self-compassion that we have, the more we open up our energy center of our heart and we dissipate the darkness and the fear and the sadness and the grief and the doubt, and we can bust through all that, then we can have the self-love, because it all starts from the inside out, and we can manifest the most beautiful heart healing, that we are emanating this vibrational frequency of love, and it is a magnet. So let's start with the first 3 crystals that I think everybody should have, and you can interact with them on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. It just depends. How deep do you want to go? Where do you want to go with the energy of love for you? So what I like about amethyst is I almost think of amethyst as the spiritual love. Amethyst is where, when I want to kind of go to my third eye and I want to start thinking about, okay, where are my limitations? Where do I self-sabotage myself? Where do I want it, but then I don't allow it? And I love holding a piece of amethyst and just clearing away what's going on in my third eye. And I like to bring these thoughts in front of me. Okay, past relationships, bringing them up. And so I'm going to teach you more about how to clear those self-limiting beliefs of the mind with the stone amethyst. This is a powerful technique, and I think you're really going to like it. And it's super easy to do. Then I like to use rose quartz as the physical standing energy. This is a physical representation of love. This is the part where we are like, this is the unconditional. This is like, I am going to work on manifesting love, attracting love, being the essence of love. And rose quartz has so many layers of how you could work with it. And I want to teach you all of those. And I think you're going to be super excited. And again, these are daily things you could do that are super, super easy. Third, so important, probably the biggest and most important crystal of all the formula is this ocean jasper. And why do I love ocean jasper? This is when we go, you know what? I gotta have some self-love. And I'm talking on that deeper level where do I not nurture myself? Where do I don't allow myself to be in the essence of love? Where do I hold back in my life? I love ocean jasper because it's soft and it's nurturing and it's like a hug. And sometimes we need to feel so safe, so vulnerable. That's where we get to the deeper trenches. That's where we do the inner work. And this stone is such a magical stone. And I cannot wait to share more with you, a simple practice on how to manifest love with ocean jasper. So February is an amazing month for love. And I look forward to teaching you more about amethyst, rose quartz, and ocean jasper. Thank you.